남자친구 잭슨과 함께 그의 본가로 향하고 있는 헬렌. 곧이어 그들은 잭슨의 본가에 도착하는데
You never told me it was like this.
It's a farm.
Oh my god.
헬렌은 미처 알지 못했던 남자친구의 웅장한 저택에 놀라움을 금치 못하죠.
Come on, don't be impressed.
Where are you?
I'll sneak you back before she knows.
No way.
그리고 다음 날 아침
Oh my god!
I thought you were in the other room.
I thought you were Jackson.
Yes, I could tell.
Well, hi, I'm Helen.
Of course you are. And I'm Martha Baring. So much for first impressions. And I'll look forward to seeing a lot less of you downstairs.
Oh my god.
잠시 후 마르사와 함께 산책에 나선 헬렌과 잭슨.
Let's talk about our week. I made some plans. I hope you don't mind.
We have to leave right after Christmas. I'm sorry.
Well, of course. I mean, if you have to go, you have to go, but...
하지만 곧 도시로 돌아간다는 아들의 말에 마르사는 서운한 기색을 내비칩니다. 그날 밤 그들은 셋이 함께 예배에 참석하기로 하는데
Look at you. You're putting me to shame. I envy your confidence. Oh! Are they your parents?
Yes. They died a long time ago.
Okay, you can stop talking about me. Let's go.
Oh, no, go ahead. No, please, go on.
Let's go.
그렇게 예배에 참석하여 오랜만에 고향 사람들을 만나는 잭슨.
The prodigal returned.
Baring and Son finally back in business.
Merry Christmas.
Made your mother a very happy woman.
Mom, does everyone think I'm moving in?
I didn't really tell her that, but I guess my hopes were showing.
But my work's in New York. Helen's in New York.
Steal away my baby boy.
Night.
Night.
그리고 다음 날 아침 홀로 주변을 산책하다 그만 길을 잃어버린 헬렌.
Hello? I think I'm lost. I'm looking for Kilronan.
Oh, back anyways.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
그리고 얼마 뒤 그들은 다시 뉴욕으로 돌아오는데
I'm pregnant.
그렇게 헬렌의 갑작스러운 임신으로 그들은 잭슨의 고향에서 결혼식을 올리게 되죠. 그런데 갑자기 한 노부인이 헬렌을 부릅니다.
So, Helen, you never showed for our lunch.
We were supposed to have lunch?
Alice Baring, I'm Jackson's grandmother.
She never told me we were supposed to have lunch.
Well, she wouldn't, would she? That's why you have to be so careful of Martha.
Alice! Why don't you come with me?
Take your damn hands off me.
Alice.
그렇게 결혼식을 마치고 다시 뉴욕으로 돌아온 헬렌. 어느 날 그녀는 장을 보고 홀로 집으로 돌아오는데
One word, and I'll slice you wide open.
I'm pregnant.
Know where you live.
It's a very close call.
I can't get his voice out of my head.
다행히 그녀의 뱃속엔 아무런 이상이 없었고 며칠 후 헬렌은 잭슨의 부축을 받으며 집으로 돌아옵니다.
Honey, I'm sorry.
Get in here.
Super let me in. Hello, darling.
Mom? 2 years ago, we were offered more than 3 times this much.
It was a going concern. I can't run that place all by myself anymore. And if you can't help, then you've got to let me sell it.
Well, she really wants to sell it. I mean, why does she need your permission?
It was left to me, not to Martha.
그렇게 잭슨은 집을 파는 것을 거절하고 엄마를 돌려보내지만
Honey,
Yeah?
how long do you think it would take to fix up Kilronan?
You can make a good run in a year.
Make it attractive to a buyer? Honey, I think that this could be a great opportunity. Yeah, but we could take out a loan. I mean, with you down there, they'd fall all over themselves giving you money.
I don't know.
하지만 잭슨은 무언가 탐탁지 않은 표정을 지으며 아버지가 사고로 사망했던 그날의 사실을 털어놓죠.
You know my father died. Is that it was my fault?
But honey, you were 7 years old.
This woman that my father was seeing, this Robin Hayes, so he was leaving us to be with her. I went straight into him, and he went down. She had this look on her face, and she was still holding this. She dropped them, and they made this loud sound. And then she,
And she told you that it was just an accident.
you know, I hated him for the affair.
You've been living with all these ghosts for so long. We should face all those ghosts. With your mother. And me.
하지만 과거를 잊고 새롭게 시작하자는 헬렌의 설득에 그들은 결국 잭슨의 고향으로 돌아가고 잭슨이 말농장을 이어받아 새롭게 가꾸기 시작합니다. 하지만 헬렌은 농장 일에 적응하지 못해 어려움을 겪고 있었는데
Are you all right? Oh, you gave us quite a scare.
Oh, God, there's so many of them. I feel so strange. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You are a lovely, lovely young woman. Men can act strange during a pregnancy.
I think we'll be fine.
You just go see Dr. Hill. It's important.
Would you send Jackson up, please?
She just needs a little time alone. I'm gonna buy you a drink.
결국 잭슨은 마르사와 밤늦게까지 술을 마시고 한밤중에 잠에서 깬 헬렌은 거실에서 홀로 잠을 자고 있는 잭슨을 발견하죠.
I tried to wake him, but he's out cold. Now you two aren't having any problems, are you?
He's been different since we've been down here.
그리고 시간이 흘러 마침내 새롭게 오픈한 농장을 위해 성대한 파티가 열리는데
Speaking of which, Martha says you've been very weak. How are you doing?
Martha said what?
Oh, look, there's old Alice. I didn't think she got out much anymore.
Alice is here. Are you gonna go say hello?
No, I forbid it. She's just a crazy old woman. I don't think she deserves your attention, darling. That's all.
하지만 헬렌이 앨리스에게 다가가는 순간
Why did you yell?
Mom, what the hell happened?
She walked right in front of the horse, Jackson.
게다가 그녀는 병원에서 또다시 이상한 소리를 듣게 되는데
Just one thing I want to mention. What's this I hear about you wanting to have the baby at home?
What? I never said that. Of course it was her.
Helen?
But why is she telling him things that I didn't say?
Look, give her a break for Christ's sakes. It's for your own good.
Thank you.
그렇게 부부의 사이는 점점 틀어지기 시작하고 헬렌은 답답한 마음에 앨리스를 찾아가죠.
Jackson is becoming more and more, I don't know, distant. You told me that I had to be careful of Martha. What did you mean by that?
And I admire her ambition. She was a stable girl. She got herself pregnant. She got herself a husband and son. And now she's breeding herself a grandson, isn't she? She never loved my son, Jack. And she took Jackson and poisoned his mind against his father. And me.
그렇게 헬렌은 마르사에 관한 이야기를 듣게 되고 그녀는 저녁이 되어서야 집으로 돌아오는데
Helen, where have you been? We've been so worried.
Am I not allowed to leave the property?
그리고 잠시 후 앨리스를 찾아가는 마르사.
Martha! What a surprise!
What did you tell her? Answer me. Oh, sister. She wants a little more time. She says it helps her joints. Make it 10.
Look, I don't know what has been going on between you and me and your mother. I love you. Soon I'm gonna be a mother. And I need you.
결국 잭슨은 헬렌을 위해 다시 뉴욕으로 돌아가기로 하는데
You mean we're ready to sell?
I love her. She's my wife.
Things have been tense between Helen and me. Been all my fault.
잭슨의 말을 들은 그녀는 한 가지 계획을 세우기 시작하고 한편 잭슨은 경마를 참관하기 위해 주말 동안 집을 비우게 됩니다.
Won't be long before this place is everything it ever was.
Kind of a shame, isn't it?
그리고 헬렌은 다시 한번 앨리스를 찾아가 그녀로부터 잭슨의 아버지의 죽음에 대한 진실을 듣게 되죠.
He still blames himself for his father's death.
No, he shouldn't. His daddy fell on a farm tool that was lying at the foot of the stairs. He landed on it just wrong, and it crushed his sternum. Doctors commenting right and left.
Didn't he ever tell you about Robin Hayes?
His old farts shock easily.
그리고 그날 밤
Let me get you some dessert. Oh, but I made it specially for you, Helen. Go on, take it. Indulge yourself. Take it.
헬렌은 마지못해 마르사가 만든 디저트를 먹고 잠이 드는데 다음날 아침 그녀는 갑자기 심각한 복통에 마르사를 찾기 시작합니다.
Martha?
하지만 어쩐 일인지 마르사는 집안 어디에도 보이지 않았고 그녀를 찾아 마구간 2층에 있는 그녀의 개인 다락방으로 간 헬렌은 그곳에서 예상치 못한 광경을 목격합니다. 그곳은 마치 아이를 키우기 위한 물건들로 가득 차 있었고 헬렌은 그곳에서 아기의 옷들과 일전에 강도에게 빼앗긴 그녀의 목걸이를 발견하죠.
Helen.
What is all of this? What are you doing?
It was my surprise for you, honey. Helen, are you all right? Well, come on. Let me take you back up to the house to bed. Come on.
하지만 헬렌의 진통이 시작되어 그녀는 마르사의 부축을 받으며 집으로 돌아가는데
Wait.
What is it? Helen, we're almost to the house. Now, come on.
I need some water.
All right, I'll be right back.
그때 마르사가 물을 가지러 집으로 들어간 사이 헬렌은 그 틈을 노려 차를 타고 그곳에서 도망가기 시작합니다. 그녀는 서둘러 저택을 빠져나와 근처의 가축 농장에 도움을 구하려고 하는데
What can I do you for today, my pretty lady?
I know where you live.
God.
Try to be friendly, darling.
그가 자신을 습격했던 강도라는 것을 눈치챈 헬렌은 그곳을 빠져나와 숲속으로 도망가지만 결국 늪에 빠진 차를 버리고 직접 도로로 달려가는 헬렌. 하지만 헬렌이 진통을 참지 못하고 바닥에 주저앉은 그때 결국 그녀는 마르사에게 붙잡혀 집으로 돌아오고 곧 그녀의 분만이 시작됩니다.
Oh, the pain is terrible, isn't it?
I can't help it.
I can't.
한편 잭슨은 경마장에서 동료와 함께 경주를 보고 있었는데
Hey, you know, I sent a buyer up to kill Ronan the other day, and Martha told him that you guys had changed your minds.
She did.
무언가 불길함을 느낀 그는 곧바로 집에 전화를 걸어봅니다.
Hello?
Mother?
Jackson. I was hoping it was you. Well, of course everything's all right, yes.
Good. Can I talk to her?
Jackson, I'm losing you. I'm so sorry, honey. I can't hear you anymore. Jackson.
Hush, Helen! Hush!
I am pushing you, bitch!
Yes, I can see it. Oh my God!
한편 잭슨은 불길한 마음에 곧바로 집으로 향하고
Oh my God!
It's a beautiful little boy. Oh. Mama's gonna get you all cleaned up.
No, Martha, give me my baby.
I love you, dear.
하지만 헬렌이 정신을 잃자 무언가를 준비하기 시작하는 마르사.
Helen, you are losing so much blood.
I really wanted us to be a family together, Helen. Oh, it's a pity. You were so weak during your pregnancy. Everybody knew that. But I did my best. You know I did, Helen. You know it's very dangerous to take more than just a drop of this.
Hey, I'm home.
No!
Mom?
Jackson, I'll be right there.
It's a boy. You see, I knew. Strong.
Helen?
Shh. She needs to sleep now, Jackson.
Is she okay?
Oh, now you come with me. I need your help. She just needs to sleep.
그렇게 헬렌이 정신을 잃은 채 어느새 밤이 찾아오는데
You going off to bed and I'll keep watch.
I want to be here when she wakes up. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Good night.
결국 마르사는 어쩔 수 없이 방을 나가고 어느새 아침이 밝아옵니다.
You meet your little baby boy?
그리고 마침내 아기를 품에 안는 헬렌.
How you feeling?
Okay. Where's Martha?
I think she's asleep.
Honey, ask her to make us a little bit of breakfast.
그리고 잠시 후
There you are.
Daddy.
Good morning. God, I slept so deeply. It's like I was drugged or something.
What's in the bag?
Oh, it's just this thing I found in the barn.
마침내 헬렌은 모든 진상을 밝히기 시작하죠.
It's one of those things that killed Jackson's daddy.
What are you talking about? There's no thing that killed my father.
It wasn't the fall that killed him.
You fell on something at the bottom of the stairs?
He fell on this.
What are you doing?
That's how Jack died. He fell with inconceivable precision on this, surely as if someone had smashed it into his body.
What I remember very particularly is that you were holding that thing when you hugged me.
How could you remember that?
Because when you dropped it, it made this really loud clanging sound.
Like this?
Not fooling anybody with that wide-eyed innocent. Even if I did have one of those things in my hands, that doesn't mean there couldn't have been another one at the bottom of the stairs.
Martha? Why, no one's implying that you killed Jack. My God, I mean...
그리고 헬렌은 결정타로 로빈 헤이스라는 사람은 아빠의 내연녀가 아닌 마르사의 내연남이라는 사실도 밝힙니다.
I just talked to Robin Hayes half an hour ago. Or would you like to speak to him for old time's sake?
No! bear to let a happy family be, could you?
Your mother tried to kill me last night. Your father was leaving. That's why she killed him. And what's worse, she made you, her own child, think that he did it so that she could bind you to her for the rest of your life.
You'll never prove anything.
She doesn't have to.
Jepson, you can't.
Shut up! You will never see me or any member of my family again. Or not my mother.
You did this. You tricked him. You want my farm, my land, my boy.
So long, Martha.
결국 잭슨과 헬렌은 곧바로 집을 떠나고 영화는 마지막으로 앨리스를 찾아간 헬렌과 잭슨의 모습을 비추며 이야기의 막을 내립니다. 오늘 소개한 영화 블러드라인은 기네스 펠트로와 제시카 랭이 주연한 스릴러 영화입니다. 아들을 너무나도 사랑하는 시어머니가 며느리를 죽이려 한다는 설정은 우리나라의 공포영화 올가미와도 매우 비슷한 이야기이지만 사실 올가미에 비하면 전체적으로 상당히 순한 맛의 영화이고 영화의 전체적인 스릴과 서스펜스가 너무나도 밋밋하다 보니 사실 영화의 평가는 그리 좋은 작품은 아닙니다. 그럼에도 기네스 펠트로의 리즈 시절의 미모와 아카데미상을 수상한 제시카 랭의 악독한 시어머니 연기, 그리고 이 영상에는 많이 담지는 못하였지만 시골의 한적하고 아름다운 풍경을 보는 것만으로도 나름 매력이 있는 영화입니다. 전에 어떤 분이 댓글로 8, 90년대 영화의 인테리어와 패션을 보는 것만으로도 재밌다고 댓글을 달아주셨는데 그분의 말씀대로 8, 90년대 헐리우드 영화에는 마치 패션 잡지에서나 볼 법한 당시만의 독특한 인테리어와 패션을 보는 것도 고전 영화를 즐기는 또 다른 방법인 것 같습니다. 요즘 영화들에 비하면 플롯의 완성도는 다소 떨어질 수도 있으나 당시의 영화들에서만 느낄 수 있는 그 매력적인 분위기와 색감, 패션과 인테리어, 그리고 미장센 등을 재밌게 즐겨주셨길 바라며 리뷰를 마칩니다.